They don't expose Sonnie Badu. Hey, they don't say this man don't call lie about many degree certificates title. They front and online. Ha! For now, we don't know who be Sonnie Badu. I go give you a small taste of the whole thing. Now UK-based Ghanaian gospel artist. Yes, I didn't show so many of you know his songs. When I don't see her before. Now I put the picture where they see what they talk about. Now him be that. Now be small titles, oh. If when I hear names, if I even some of them I don't even pronounce different names, different titles. He go post them for Instagram, scatter everywhere. In fact, cause confusion up and down. And he to say he is honored. Listen, he say he they very honored by the Trinity International University of Ambassadors. They say at the school be that where you go learn all these many things. Within 4 months, just 4 months, this man acquire Doctor of Fine Arts in Musicology, Master degree in Christian Leadership, Bachelor degree in Ministry. In fact, they plenty. Hey, I don't tire. In fact, dean, professor, doctor, everything they inside this matter. 4 months. I before now we no. When I never see that kind of certificate before you understand. Because put the video, make the sweater they talk about. Una don't see this kind of certificate before. I say the names I no fit pronounce. He come outside, but I beg, see. I know the lie where people they don't say they insult one man of God or something. I not call insult, but the truth must be said. Una understand? And una go they wonder now how come we get this kind of information? How they find out say the matter na lie, be the matter. Hey, I go tell now all the gist. Person see this thing after a poster. You understand? One Facebook guy like that. He see now so he call the wonder say this guy what did they call a Trinity International University of Ambassadors. See, you understand? He call the wonder. He say, oh yeah, make him find out. You understand? This guy can't do his findings. Can't follow up inside this matter. Now, so the guy can't write to the accreditation board for US. Say how far? I say this person graduate, this person do this. You understand? They ask the question concerning the whole this thing. Now, so they can't reply and they can't tell us say they not find any information about the university accreditation board. This Trinity. Hi! Now they kasala boss. We can't find out say that school. No. Oh God. Hi! Una know they understand. Una know they see. Una know they feel the gravity of this matter. I don't understand though. You be pastor. You get your church. People know you. You there everywhere. You they sing on top. What be the need of all? Okay, fine. I don't say to go school good. But why you not fit go to the main school to acquire all these things? You know our problem, human beings. We always they feel like say without a degree, you don't understand. Like our life not they validated. To go school is good, but you never kill yourself if you no fit go school. No, this one, if I tell you, I say I know they shocked, I they lie. If I tell you, I say I know they shocked, I they lie. If this thing not shock you, then you don't know what it takes to acquire doctorate. If this thing not shock you, know that if you not pull you out of your seat, if you not make you stand up, you don't know. You know I say be doctorate. I don't talk about university here. 4 months. Now that one save, I still don't feel understand. If you want such accolades, you want me people applaud for you, you want me people shout everywhere. My brother go to school. It is as simple as ABCD. People they go school for this kind titles 6 years, 7 years, some of them serve 10 years, depending on how the issues. Some of them they get issues during the this thing. Some people they even take 10 years before they acquired all these things together. You just come out 4 months, you just get your own. Hey, this is a big disgrace. This one a big disgrace. I no go like give anybody. I no just dey understand how you go come outside with such things. At least if the school exists, number 1, sure say okay you go the school, number 2, then number 3, I know they even confirm from the school, you know they. And now some people go they come outside, touch not my anointed. I bet nobody they touch any anointed, but we must say the truth. Which example now will you they lead your people now with this kind of thing? Which example you they show them the fastest way, backyard way? How people want learn now say they must go through the normal way to success? How? You want people to clap. You want accolade. You want your name to be known all right. My brother, your name is already known. Your name is already known. See, make una dey careful, especially una wey una know say una be figure, public figure. People they look up to una. They very if you want to do something, think am 10 times. Because it takes small thing for that. You see that thing that you've built for how many years? It go just collapse. I beg, let's stop lying. Let us stop lying. It is very, very important. May we stop to the lie. This thing, seriously, I'm not embarrassment. Go to the school. If you want a doctorate, professor in a Christian, degree, bachelor in this one, I beg, go to the school. That boy will go do that Facebook thing, God will bless you. No, it's like now like this, you're supposed to do all these ones. You know how many, some people did not even go to primary school, but today go and check them and they are proud. They are doing their small business. Some of them say, all these celebrities, big people that they are calling billions today, you think all of them go school? School does not determine whether you will be great, whether you will be, although it is necessary. It is necessary to those that can afford it, but school does not determine your level of greatness in life. You know how many people, they make I no even start to call names, I'm not going to mention names. I know people where when they secondary school, first position at them. You know that's how you know they drag that position with them. But today, Madam Aproko, I bet if you send me 5K, no, nah. I was not in first position. I was not. But I no be olodo. Me, no try. I smart, gone. Forget that. You understand? So I beg, me will learn. Because so if you want something, work for it. Work for it. It is as simple as that. I told you before, there is no elevator to success. It's step by step. Very, very important. You understand? My people, I say I go bring this matako on aside because I like this man. You know that in music, they carry me go heaven, come back. Now that's all the love deep. But this one, I must say I am disappointed. I am terribly disappointed. Because I beg, no, help me share this video because this matter now. I just should say some of you self never hear that because now you don't dare everywhere. So I go bring her so that my people go know waiting they happen. So share this video so that everybody go know say Trinity International University of this thing. I beg because some people when they hear name of school they go say this person na my mentor. He get this degree from that place. They go on go. I beg. Do your findings well now. I bring her outside before you go get deceived now by pictures and write-ups. Share this video so everybody go know what thing they happen. Our brother, our pastor, our papa, Sonnie Badu don't bring false degrees and titles to our tables. And make sure say you drop your comment for that comment section. And as usual, I go reply on one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you're going to miss important content like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.